This is an assault rifle. This is a piece of metal. This is a firearm. It is the same metal with a few holes drilled in it, making it capable of fitting this trigger. Together, they look like this assembly, which still cannot shoot until you add a barrel and a piece of wood, which are assembled to create this very common rifle, reminiscent of something your grandfather might have kept by the back door. But suppose you wanted to use plastic instead of wood. You strip the gun down to the initial firearm and add this plastic to create this assault rifle, designated as such due to the use of a pistol grip and a telescoping stock. The action of these guns is identical. They both shoot at the exact same rate, which is one shot for each pull of the trigger. They each shoot the same ammunition, which is the ubiquitous .22 long rifle. This bullet is commonly described as a planking round for use in safety target practice. It is similar in size to common pellets found in air guns, but much smaller than the common 7.62mm rounds used by hunters and the military. It certainly uses a much smaller shell for propulsion. As with most semi-automatic firearms, the ammunition is lined up and fed into a piece of plastic containing a spring, which is called a magazine. The magazine is inserted into the firearm, and in this case, both the wood rifle and so-called assault rifle use the same magazine. Some also choose to attach various